This is our new Mental X Smellables Snowflower capsule. We got Nezuko on the back from Demon Slayer, sitting in a Federal tire. If you guys are interested, link is in the description below. Cop them now before they're gone. It is super limited and we might not drop this again. Let's get back to today's video. So sick seeing these two cars together. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. As you can tell by the title of the video, we are gonna be revealing the new wheels for the Supra today. Like I said before, please don't have your expectations too high. They aren't anything crazy. I just wanted some wheels that look better than these. Disgusting, really disgusting. This one looks like it's freaking missing a chunk of the wheel, and this one's probably the best one. I really want to put on these wheels because my buddy Kean gave them to me for free. Huge shout out to you, Kean. If you guys remember Kean, he has a Civic Type R. Super quick car, super cool guy. Thank you for everything, dude. You're a real one. Can't wait to be running your wheels for a while because the wheels that I want to get, they're fucking expensive. Let me finish this rebuild first, guys, and then I'll worry about like cosmetics. But I think the order I want to go in with this car is rebuild the engine, manual swap, paint, and then cosmetics. But I already ruined everything and went a little bit of cosmetics first because that's just the type of person that I am. But you gotta admit, it looks pretty fire. Look at this kit. Oh my god, with this light coming down, this looks like it almost matches. So the new wheels for the Supra are right here. And I'm not gonna bullshit you guys any longer. I'm gonna just get straight to the point because this is what we're all about on this channel. No type of clickbait, no nothing. They are new wheels for the Supra, but they are really old. And they're also not the greatest wheel. Let's show you guys. I didn't bother cleaning them up because I don't really want to try to polish used wheels that aren't really anything too crazy, and I just want to run them the way that they were given to me because this car already looks like, you know, a shitbox 80s car. Let's still kind of keep that look, you know, but not as shitty as those plasti dipped wheels. So we are going to be running the same exact wheel, the OEM saw blades in polish. So when Kean had his MK3 Supra, he got some polished wheels off someone. They're already polished. The only downside is I think the previous owner painted them burgundy. Maybe his interior was burgundy, I don't know. So this could be black, which would look better, or I can actually polish it. Center caps, you can't really do anything about it because they're not metal. You know, these are just temporary. You know your boy's gonna fucking find a way to come up with some BBSs somehow. The tread on these tires are not that great. They're pretty bald, but my rear tire has a slit through the wheel. So if I take it out on the freeway right now, it will explode and I will ruin my rear bumper. Keep in mind, I hardly ever drive the Supra, like ever. I just drive it around the block sometimes just for fun, but I honestly never take it anywhere because it's so damn old and I want to make sure it's rebuilt properly before I even push it or go on long drives, whatever. And we still have old reliable, except for when the bags are bad. Let's go ahead and move these cars and put on these wheels. Alright guys, let's try and get these on. By now, if you guys don't know how to put on wheels, you should learn. All you do is just lift up the car, take off the lugs, throw the wheels on, and that's it. But some of you guys like seeing the process of me doing it, so I'll leave a time lapse right here. I usually don't like doing time lapses because I feel like they're kind of boring, but fuck it, I feel like it's a little bit soothing, and if you guys request it, you guys are gonna get it. Just finished. This is how she looks. Are you ready? It's not a crazy transformation, but it looks pretty sick. Oh yeah. So much cleaner. I back this a lot. Obviously fitment could be better, but these are just for now. I'm gonna go ahead and wash her for the first time. This is the first time I've ever washed her, and hopefully it makes a difference. So see you guys in a little bit. I just finished washing her. Check out how good she looks. Damn. Oh my God, guys, I can't even front. Even though they are the exact same wheels, it makes a huge difference. That nasty Plasti Dip black or whatever the hell it was, looks so ugly compared to this nice chrome. And they're not even like fully polished. I need to repolish them to make them shinier. So maybe I'll do that. But let's be real, this shit looks sick. Oh, it's like a clean OEM with a body kit. No man, that's the Supra. So next, I think I'm gonna tackle this Sleepy Eye mod. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's for pop-up headlights, and it's basically where you make this lower instead of it closing all the way. But when I have them down, it's gonna leave it up slightly, so it looks kind of like I'm faded, fool. I think it should be easy. My buddy Tom showed me. Just pop the hood, and there's like screws right here, and you fidget around with it to where you want, and it'll stay there. Is this for me? Oh man, I wish that floor jack was mine. You guys already know I need my handy dandy Supra stick. My hood shocks are coming in soon. Wow. I don't even need a screwdriver. It's literally just a knob here. No way. It's really that easy? Sleepy ass dude. I personally do like the pop-ups all the way up, but this is cool. I might rock this just for a little bit. Might even do the winky face where you leave one down and the other one up. She has character now. But damn, guys, look at these cherry taillights with that Gretty exhaust. Can we get a W in the chat for this setup right here? It is beautiful. Now, can you guys imagine a 326 wing? Oof. Game over. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you think of the wheels in the comments down below. I hope I didn't troll you guys too hard. A lot of people thought I got TEs and work wheels and this and that. Nope, not yet. But I promise I will get a really special wheel. It's gonna be up to par with the BBS's right here. So hopefully we can get that rolling soon. But let's admire this one more time. I can't wait for this car to be done, but at the same time I don't want it to be done way too fast because I want to enjoy every waking moment with this car. Oh, and huge shout out to Birdie over at Kings Must Rise. This thing fits perfectly in the Supra. Guys, remember, always support the ones you look up to most. And don't worry, I still have Phantoms. This may possibly go into the Lexus. Alright guys, so I made it to All Aspects warehouse. I wanted to show the boys the new wheels and the car a little more cleaned up, but nobody's here. Brought the Supra for no reason. I'm not even supposed to be driving it. I think Andy's here, so let's go see. Andy! Oh, you are here.
What's up?
What up, boy? Hard at work?
What up? You vlogging?
Yeah. Oh. I was hoping Jerem would be here, but he's not here.
No.
Well, it doesn't matter anyways because I always hang out with you and I wanted your opinion
what?
On my Supra's new wheels.
No way. Yeah. Let's see it. Let's see it. Ew. Dude, those are sick.
Way better than the janky black ones, right?
Yeah.
You know, I gave her a little car wash. She's still dirty, but...
Damn, you got the quick release bumper? Dude, came out sick, bro.
Thank you, bro.
You got them polished, or?
My buddy gave one to me. Damn. So I have two sets of OEM wheels. One that are like Plasti Dip black and these polished ones. I know you would like it because it's still like very classic looking.
Honestly, yeah, they kind of look like the Turbo 2 wheels too on the RX-7.
Ooh. I got the new headlights in. But yeah, this is the Supra in all its glory. If you squint really hard from far away, it looks good.
Yeah, you got this too. You ain't fucking around. And the exhaust. Damn.
You want to hear it?
Yeah, dude, turn it on. Sounds mean, bro.
Thank you. You can always count on Andy to love every single car mod you do because he's such a car enthusiast.
I love it. Can't wait to have my car next to it.
You're gonna finish yours before you know it.
Oh, I wish.
Look who decided to show up.
Hello?
Brother, what are you doing here?
What the? Can't even get the damn job done, brother. What the hell are you doing here? You're supposed to be fucking YouTubing.
I came here to show you my new wheels.
Yo, fucking sick, brother. Yo, the visor though. You're talking about the visor. Dude, of course I noticed it. Are you kidding me? How can you not notice this like brand new sick piece next to like all this beastie, even more refurbished, dusty
What
shit?
a hater.
Honestly, it looks really good. I can imagine like if the rest of your car like was in conditions similar to this, you know? Like, boom.
So you see how it's like see-through?
Yeah.
Do you think I should paint match it?
I don't really think it's necessary, but you like to go a little extra, so I mean you could. But I mean when you get there, I think you should start right here.
Sick.
You should paint match the rust at least.
Then the painter's not gonna know where the rest is.
Yo, but the cherries, I like these too. It's my first time seeing the cherries in person.
Nice.
I like it. I like it. Definitely. When I actually saw your video of you doing it, and it didn't look too much different, but it actually looks way different in person. It definitely looks like 3-4 shades different in person. Sheesh, Doritos! Yeah, that's that. That's like about the size of it. Yep.
But there's one last thing.
Oh, those are the new ones? Nice.
Hey, Jeremy, come here. If you come exactly 20 feet away from it and you squint really hard, it looks good.
Hell yeah. It's actually the further away you get, the more you can see the difference between like the flat way and the eggshell way.
Okay, it's sick.
Hey, I'm proud of you. Let's go.
Damn, look at this sous vide jocking your blue right here.
Yo. Chill.
Yeah, this is the homies. This car is actually pretty quick though. You drove me the other day, it's pretty quick.
The Bears kit coming? Huh?
I'm not putting that in there. You want me to?
I mean, you don't have to. You can. I mean, it's gonna take you a whole year, so everyone's gonna forget about it anyways.
Alright, Jeremy, well, thanks again. I just wanted to show you.
Hate you.
I'll get back to work. You hear that, guys? The CEO of all aspects approved my car. Didn't have to talk trash about my painting skills and not matching it properly, but this will get better in due time. Oh! Just made it to Mark's house. Huge thank you for shooting the rollers today, bud. How you doing?
Let's go. Hell yeah. They're gonna be so sick.
We're gonna be working on Mark's car today, but if you guys want to see this, head to his channel. I'll put it right here. Gonna be installing some goodies on this car. Hey, give me back my drink. That's just fire. Hey, Mark put me on this. This is fire. All right, guys, we're a few hours in. I was helping Mark install these parts, but you know, things didn't go according to plan.
Bro, I don't know, man. I'm not even trying to back this company at this point. One of the side skirts was cracked. Also, the fitment was not even really good with these. Like, we were trying to mock it up.
It wasn't flat.
It wasn't, it wasn't lining up perfect.
It was like warped or something. But this was our favorite part. This is what we were looking forward to the most.
After fighting with the M Performance lip, finally getting that off, lining this one up, also really bad fitment, unfortunately.
Can we show them a quick little mock-up, like you just holding it up? Guys, it's pretty bad. I thought it would be better, like maybe we can make it work, but look.
So look, when we try to line it up there on that end,
it looks kind of good on camera right here, right?
Yeah.
But then, look at that.
It's like totally off.
And it's not supposed to be far behind. It's supposed to hug
so
like right there.
It should hug right in the gap right here.
But then look at this.
And look.
And then that.
Shit's hella off, bro.
It looks good if you squint.
Dude, I fucking chucked this thing.
It's all good, man. Things happen. Yep. At least you have a good attitude about it. You know, you can get another one, a better one. On the bright side, you have an M3.
Yeah, on the bright side. Yeah.
So you guys remember Mark's Subi? That thing was slammed. It had a lot of camber. Fitment was beast. We got to do something about this. You guys see this? Hey, Mark, we got to do something about that.
Yeah, that will get happening.
Maybe next time we'll be able to install some parts, but... Alright guys, so I just made it back home. I feel really bad for my buddy Mark. He's gonna get everything situated and his car is gonna look amazing when he gets the parts on it that he wants. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know the wheels aren't like a crazy set of wheels, but they are new wheels for the Supra, so technically it's not clickbait. But I thought I would show you guys my new camera equipment. I am currently using my new camera right now. It's pretty good, pretty clear, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I run when I film my YouTube videos. So, new camera just came in. Here it is. Yes, guys, I am filming on an iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys didn't know this, all of my YouTube videos have been filmed with iPhone X's, whether it's an X or an XS. The reason for that is because I have this old iMac, it's like a 2010, and it can't process 4K or like crazy big footage that I would be getting from a Sony or some other $700 camera. iPhone is what works for me, and honestly, you guys like the quality, right? Minus the last video, but I think it's still pretty good. And a lot of people even ask me what I use to film, and they get so surprised when I tell them it's my iPhone. It's all about export settings and proper lighting. The next thing that I always use is a Rode mic. This is my third mic. I've broken them before. Don't ask me how, but this is my third one. It looks like this. It's definitely good for deflecting wind and capturing more audio that's in front of you. So I really like this, very crystal clear. And the last thing, super important, always gotta be using this. I'm not using it right now and my arm hurts holding up this camera. Joby GorillaPod. This is the new V2 and it's way better than my old one. It has like this adjustable mount. You could flip it to vertical. So now you can even film stories on this. Easy back, you lock it through the back right here. I love this thing. Best gimbal that you can buy for the iPhone or any mobile phone. And there you guys have it. That is what I like to run. Oops, I should put on this mic right now. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I will be coming out with more videos. I want to end this year really strong, so hopefully we can get through a few more videos before the next year. And with that being said, I will get real awesome wheels in the future, so stay tuned for that. And I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.